Do you always feel like you're stuck? You've been working all of this time and spending all of this energy just to feel like you're in the same hole. I get it. I've been there. Hey there, my name is Anthony and welcome to Growing Your Wealth. First off, I'm a sinner redeemed by Christ. I'm a husband, father, student ministry volunteer, photographer and videographer by trade, and a stock market enthusiast. The reason I'm making this channel is to bring glory to God while helping others become good stewards of the money they have. So, what is the stock market? As the legend goes, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. In simple terms, it is a network of exchanges where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold by investors. Okay, what is a stock? A stock or equity represents a fractional ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder. You actually own a small piece of that company. The ownership entitles you to a portion of the company's profits, sometimes paid out as dividends, and in the case of common stock, voting rights on company matters. Okay, so what's the primary function of the stock market? Well, the stock market serves two critical purposes for the economy. For companies raising capital, companies will sell shares to the public to raise large amounts of money. They use this money to fund and expand their businesses. For investors, it's investment income. The market gives investors a place to buy and sell those ownership stakes. Investors can profit in two main ways: capital appreciation if the stock price goes up, and dividends, which is a share of the company's profits. So how does trading work? The stock market is often divided into two main parts. You have the primary market. This is where the company first issues new stocks directly to the public via an IPO, also known as initial public offering. Then there's the secondary market. This is the stock exchange, like the New York Stock Exchange, where investors buy and sell shares among themselves after the initial offering. The company is not directly involved in these day-to-day trades. Stock prices are determined by basic principle of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price generally rises. If more people want to sell a stock than buy it, well, it's going to fall. When people say the market is up, or the market is down, or the market is mixed, they usually are referring to the stock market indexes. These track the performance of a select group of stocks to gauge how well the segment of the market or economy as a whole is doing. Common examples include the S&P 500. This index tracks the 500 of the largest U.S. publicly traded companies, or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This index tracks 30 large, well-known U.S. companies. You also have the NASDAQ Composite. This index is heavily weighted towards technology and growth companies. And finally, there's the Russell Index. This index measures micro, small, and occasional mid and large cap stocks. Deuteronomy 8:18 says, "But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth." While this video gives a broad overview to what the stock market is, I hope it provided a bit of understanding. If you're new to the market, hang in there. Rome wasn't built overnight, and I have more introductory videos coming. If you're more advanced, I have videos coming in the future on deeper understanding of how I invest and what companies that I believe have enormous potential. Thanks for being here. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel as we build this community together. Until next time, happy investing, and may God truly bless each and every one of you.